How to use a multimeter. A multimeter is a device that can measure voltage, current, resistance, and continuity of electrical circuits. A multimeter can be very useful for testing and troubleshooting various electrical devices and components. Here are some basic steps on how to use a multimeter. First, you need to select the type and range of the measurement you want to make. You can use the selector knob or button on the multimeter to choose between AC or DC voltage, current, resistance, or continuity. You also need to select the appropriate scale for the measurement, such as millivolts, volts, milliamps, amps, ohms, etc. Some multimeters have an auto-ranging feature that can automatically adjust the scale for you. Next, you need to connect the test leads to the multimeter and the circuit or device you want to measure. The test leads are wires with metal probes at the ends that can attach to different points of the circuit. The black lead usually goes to the common or negative terminal of the multimeter, while the red lead goes to the positive terminal. You also need to make sure that the test leads are connected to the correct jacks on the multimeter for the type of measurement you want to make. Then, you need to read the value displayed on the multimeter screen. Depending on the type of measurement, you may need to interpret the value with respect to the scale and unit of measurement. For example, if you are measuring voltage and the screen shows 1.23 and the scale is set to millivolts, then the actual voltage is 1.23 millivolts or 0.00123 volts. Finally, you need to disconnect the test leads from the circuit and turn off the multimeter when you are done. You should also store the multimeter and the test leads in a safe place and avoid exposing them to moisture, heat, or dust.